Good morning, dear friends. In today's video, I will discuss a few shortcuts related to ages. That means whenever we have to find the age, then what shortcuts we can apply for the simplifications. So first, I'm giving T1 years earlier, the father age was X times of his son. At present, the father's age is Y times that of his son. What is the present age of his son? That means if we want to know the present age, then we can use this concept for the son's age is given by T1, T1 inside the bracket x minus 1 over x minus y. So this formula can be used for finding the age of the son's age. Then we can find out the age of the father. The next formula is the present age of the father is y times the age of the son. T2 years hence the father's age becomes z times the age of his son. What are the present age of the father and his son? That means there is a concept of y times, and after t2 years, the father's age becomes z times. Then we can use the formula son's age is given by t2 z minus 1 over y minus z. So this formula can be used. Firstly, I am just explaining three formulas. Then I will take the illustrations how we have to implement. Then third formula is T1 years earlier. This is the concept of earlier. The age of father was X times the age of his son. T2 years hence the age of the father becomes Z times the age of his son. What is the present age of the son? So son's age is T2 inside the bracket Z minus 1 plus T1 inside X minus 1 over X minus Z. So these three formulas can be used for the sums for very simplification purpose. Like this is a one illustration I have taken. The age of man is 4 times that of his son. 5 years ago, the man was 7 times as old as his son. At that time, what is the present age of the man? That means we have to find the present age of the man. So I can use, once again, I am explaining the statement. The age of the man is 4 times that of his son. 5 years ago, the man was 7 times as old as his son at that time. What is the present age of the man? So I have already explained the formulas. That is T1 years earlier. That is the same ago. So we can use this concept. That is the T1 x minus 1 over x minus y. So son says will be, it is the T1. T1 means 5 years ago. That means I am implementing this formula x minus 1 over x minus y. That means 5. And the man was 7 times as old as son. That means x minus 1. X is taken as 7. 7 minus 1. Then below there is a 7 times and 4 times. That is, this is the man was 7 times and the age of man is 4 times. So we are taking 7 minus 4. This is taken as a x and this is taken as a y. Simply we are solving 5 into 6. This is the calculations. We are getting to, then we are getting 10 years. This is the age of son. If we have to find the age of the father, the age of the father or age of the man, that is the 4 times. So simply we have to multiply 10 into 4. This will be the 40. So otherwise we can solve this equation by the linear equation, but that is the longest process. This is the very simplest process. By just applying these three formulas, we can get the answers very short times. Thanks, dear friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with others also.